phone is bad. You need this new phone.
What?
It has a better camera. It can hold way more pictures and videos, and it has an amazing microphone.
Okay, wow. Maybe I should get a new phone. Where can I get it?
You can get it right over there. Welcome to the Apple Store. As you see, there are computers all around me. Hi, I was wondering if I could buy a new iPhone. I would adjust the phone for you. What kind of phone is it? The phone is the new iPhone 8. Okay, I'll take it. Here you go. Wow, this new iPhone is amazing.
Yeah, I love it.
It takes such good pictures.
And you can text so much.
Now come buy our phone.